Please get the new feathers. That hurts. Okay, keep going. It hurts, it hurts. This one is for bathing. And this one is for drinking. Okay. Hey human, look. Human, are you looking? Well, if you're not paying attention then. Oh, now you see me. Yes, that's good Scritch. Why did Scritches stop? Bathroom. What you doing in here, human? Let me in. Let me in. Hey human, come here. Come on, I won't bite. Closer. Just keep them in your cage for later. A cluttered cage is a sign of a cluttered mind. This cage is mine. I'm the king of this cage. Everyone better stay away from my... Air traffic control. This is Chicken Copter requesting permission to land. Over. Chicken Copter, you do not have permission to land. I'm gonna do it anyway. Over and out. We are just a few dollars short. You thinking what I'm thinking? Bye, Cooper. A few hours later. Welcome back. Human doing nothing. I'm Quiet Angel. Human on important phone call. No, thanks. Wait, I changed my mind. I will go out with you. Sorry, I've already moved on to this millet. Human, I know we've never really hung out. Since I like the other human better. But now I'm thinking, what if we can be friends? You just want my food. Can I please have some? The life of a bird owner. Is there poop on me? Yup. What? How? Hi birdie, want some attention? No thanks. Hey, that's my attention. I made you some tasty greens. Oh, food. I hope no one saw that. Pip tripping. What if my feet are gone? Nope, still there. Later. What if my feet are gone? Only a red one will do. Now I can eat. Looks like you could use some preening. I love you, human. 3 ways to eat millet. 1. The toby. I'll save the rest for later. 2. The Zeus. It will grow into a beautiful millet tree. 3. The fin. Wow, rude. I need to work, so I can buy seed. Oh, okay. Human, I'm never speaking to you again. The heck is that? I got my nails done. I hate it. The Targaryens wed brothers and sisters for 300 years to keep bloodlines pure. Jaime and I are more than brother and sister, we shared a womb. We came into this world together. We belong together. Reality. Censored. Birdies. Stop. Your brother and sister. Thanks. Something all birds do. How dare you scratch my girlfriend? I'm going to teach her to whistle. That's not a good idea. I know I'm bad, but she'll pick out the tune and sing it better. Watch. Uh-oh. Snap. 90% of the food. Share please. I gave you one. It's right there. I know you kept all the good ones to yourself. Cat call. You need some preening. You're welcome. I'm fucking lost. This is Blue Boy. What a cutie. Hey little guy. What is he doing? He's trying to be very scary. Hey sweetie. No. But I love him too. Get your own human. I got you a new toy. Oh my god. Let me just get this thing off. All yours. Yay. Good morning, world. It's another beautiful day. Let's see what's on the agenda. Scram. Get scratches. Beg for human food. Eat. Preen. Stretch. Poop. I can't read. Please share. Sorry chicken. It's too salty. If I can't have it, no one can. Millet dust. Cockage yieldender. I wonder what you would look like without feathers. What are we cooking? He's been sitting still for hours. How is he not bored? I wonder what he's thinking about. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. This is my trophy. Anyone who goes near it will face my razor-sharp beak. Scritch please. You're all the way over there. Come here. I'm waiting. Let me out. Come on human. Open the door. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. Oof. What just happened?